Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Today feels like Monday because yesterday I spent the entire day driving back home from Nashville. Normally we would come home on Sunday, but my car decided to have problems. So my car is actually at my parents' house. I borrowed one of their cars. It's insane. So James had to work yesterday, but since we weren't home, he had to work in the car, which meant that I had to drive, and it was just such a long day. But we are actually going back to Nashville Thursday night, so we only have a couple days home, and I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done. And then I think James's dad is going to go this weekend to my parents' house, pick up my car, and like haul it back, so that way they can fix it. We have to order a part. I hate car drama. I hate it. So anyway, it made the weekend a little crazy. So today feels like a Monday. It is my Monday. We are back to work. I've got my cup of tea. You guys saw me make that. That's what's on the agenda this weekend. We're going back to Nashville to celebrate my birthday, which is on Saturday. I can't even think of when it's, We're also doing a big birthday celebration sale, and it's going to be 32% off, which I know seems like a very random number, but I'm turning 32, so I thought it'd be fun to do 32% off. I don't know when this video is going up. Like, I don't know if I'll put it up on Friday. It'll probably be Friday's vlog. So when you guys are watching this, the sale is live. I will have all the information in the description box if you are interested. But yeah, that is what's going on this week. It's a little bit crazy. I have a lot of just stuff to do. So today I need to get the photos done, get the listings done. I want to have all of that done, so that way Thursday I can focus on packing, doing last minute things, and not be stressed out about getting stickers up. So yeah, that is where we are today. I need to do listing photos, listings. I also have a video that I need to edit and upload today. And then I want to unpack, because in 2 days I'll have to repack, and do some house chores and whatever. So it's gonna be a little bit of everything in this vlog. I hope you guys are okay with that. That is what's going on. I just packaged up some orders and some swaps. So I'm gonna take those to the mailbox real quick, and then I think I'm gonna go edit my video. I'm not gonna show that because I always feel like it's just weird to watch somebody edit a video. Like, I don't know. Let me know if you guys like it. If you like it, I will include it in like a future video, but for today, for the sake of today, I think I'm just gonna edit it without showing you guys. But I also want to get some Oops bags up in the shop. I'm gonna take them down Friday for the sale, just because you can't use coupon codes on Oops bags, but I will have them up sometime today. So today, tomorrow, and Thursday. So by the time you're watching this, I've already taken them down, but if I have some left over, I will put them back up as soon as the sale ends Monday night. So Tuesday, next Tuesday, I'd put them back up again. So anyway, that is what's going on. I'm very tired after all of that, because yesterday was just a long day in the car, and traveling is just, it's hard. But it's all good. I have my mom's car here, so that's nice. It's a new car, so it's really nice. It still has the new car smell, so that's fun. But I feel bad that I had to like leave my car there. Thankfully they have enough cars that like nobody's without a car, and they don't have to drive my car, which is acting up. So it's all good. So in this top drawer here, we have like all of our Oops. I don't know why my sticker album is in there, but I have all of my Oops, and then I just went ahead and put all of the like grab bag items in here. So there's like a ton of stuff, and a lot of these don't have any problems. They're just overstock stuff I'm not going to sell anymore. Then I also have this container, which already has some stuff assembled, but I'm probably going to tear these apart and redo them. So yeah, I have a lot in here, and then I have some more stuff on that table. Ooh, focus. Have some more stuff on that table that I'm also going to include in there. So yeah, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to assemble them. I think I'm going to do like 20 sheets per bag, and then have it be like $10. So I'm going to set the table up, and I'm going to start packaging. I just finished packaging all of the Oops bags. I had about 16. And then I also have these like smaller ones. These are actually grab bags. There's 10 sheets for $10. So they're not as good of a deal, but the thing is some of these are like Oops, and these are just completely fine stickers. They're just overstock of stuff I don't sell anymore. So I have 9 of these, 16 of these, and hopefully they will sell out pretty quickly so I can get rid of them. I finally got the video up. I got the thumbnail done. I also made it an IGTV. It's my first ever IGTV, but I've been taking this course on YouTube, how to grow your YouTube. Not only that, but how to repurpose your content for other platforms such as Instagram. So I was able to take the YouTube video that I just put up and make it an IGTV, which was pretty awesome. And it was so easy to do. So that's really exciting. I'm happy about that. I'm gonna try to start doing that with more of my videos on YouTube, also bring them to Instagram, because I know I have like different people over there and you know, whatever. I think you can also do that like with TikTok and Instagram Reels and all that stuff. So I'm still learning and doing all that. But anyway, the video is done. I can check that off of my list. So now the only thing I have left as far as work-related tasks go are photos and listings. So very excited about that. I just knocked out the rest of the listing photos. So tomorrow I can edit them. I think I'm just gonna save the listings for tomorrow because it is 4:30. So I think I'm just gonna do the rest of it tomorrow and do some like house cleaning tonight to show you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I will do all the other stuff tomorrow and get that done. But I just made the announcement in my Facebook group that I'm discontinuing monthly items, and it was a really hard decision for me to make, but I think it's just gonna be so much better for my shop if I focus on the things that are working and not on things that just aren't selling anymore. And that's just the hard truth, is that monthly kits just don't sell well in my shop anymore. So to spend time and energy and buy clip art for them and print and cut them and them not sell, it just doesn't make sense anymore. So I announced that. It's really hard, but hopefully, I don't know, hopefully it goes well. We just got back home from the grocery store. We only got a few things, so I will get them out and show you guys. But first I need to set the oven because we got a frozen pizza for dinner, so that's exciting. Okay guys, this is probably the most random grocery haul, but as I told you guys earlier, we're not really gonna be home, so I didn't wanna get a lot of things and not use them or have them go bad, so let's go. So first we have this pack of chicken because we have some peppers in the fridge that are still good from last week, so we're gonna make some buffalo stuffed peppers. So this is gonna get us tomorrow's dinner and Thursday for lunch. Then we have these taquitos. I just grabbed those so I'd have something like for lunch tomorrow. Then we have some milk because we're gonna have some cereal for breakfast. Totally not caring about the diet this week apparently. Then I also got some oat milk because they had my favorite brand of oat milk. If you guys watched the live stream, I was not feeling the other brand at all, and I've not used it since, but they did have like one of these, so I grabbed it. Then we got these little cracker cheese things for just to have a snack, because sometimes we just don't really have a lot of snack foods, and you know. Then I'm really excited about this. So I got this oatmeal cookie creamer. It's oat milk creamer, and I've heard a lot of people talk about it. So I saw it and I was like, I need to try this. So I got that. Totally random, I know. Then we have these red hot beef burritos. Those are for James for his lunch. He got like a bunch of them. I think he's only gonna need 2 of them, but I guess we'll have extras just in case. And then of course, the star of tonight's show, we have this Red Baron classic crust special deluxe pizza. It has 2 cheeses, sausage, mushrooms, pepperoni, black olives, green and red peppers, and onions. And I'm really excited about this because it's super easy and it's also really good. So yeah, that's the grocery haul. I'm waiting on the oven to preheat so I can throw in the pizza, and I'm gonna put all of these groceries away. I'm gonna end this vlog here. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment telling me how your Friday is going, because I think this video is gonna go up on Friday. So let me know how your day is going. Whatever day you're watching this, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell notification, and that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.